Now at 5, a new variant of the coronavirus is detected right here in Clark County, but researchers tell us they found it first in what we flush. Good evening to you at 5. I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Denise Valdez. Different mutations of the coronavirus mean the virus is now adapting. And our I-team confirming this new variant is circulating right now. David Charnes here now with the important details and also what it's called. David?
Well, Denise, this isn't the variant, the Delta variant we've reported on for the past couple of weeks, but an entirely new one. Farther down the Greek alphabet is Lambda, and that's where we get this new Lambda variant. The strain originated in Peru and makes up the majority of cases in South America. Now, these variants are being found first in our wastewater through this, though the state lab that is confirms one case from June. Now, earlier this year, the I-team showed you scientists are analyzing what we flush, actually finding the virus and then these subsequent variants, basically catching the spread before we see it in real time. It can take a few weeks for samples from the COVID tests many of us have taken to catch up with what scientists are finding in the sewer. The researcher who runs the lab over at UNLV says reopening is simply leading to more spread.
In some ways, I'm not entirely surprised given that travel is going back to where it was, right? So we're going to be seeing people move around with different strains.
Now, researchers in England, where this variant was first detected a couple of weeks ago, say the vaccine appears to be an effective way to fight the Lambda variant. And case numbers show, well, cases are up here in southern Nevada. Vaccines are working. The majority of people hospitalized right now are not vaccinated. Now, state health leaders also tell us they expect that more cases of these variants are actually happening than what we're seeing, simply because the samples that are getting tested are just a portion of the cases we see. The best protection, they say, is simply get vaccinated. I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.